Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're talking about how to transfer crypto from Revolut to Ledger. Firstly, connect your Ledger Nano X or Ledger Nano S Plus to your computer or mobile device. Open the Ledger Live app and unlock your device. Ensure the relevant crypto app, for example Bitcoin, is installed on your Ledger via Ledger Live. In Ledger Live, go to Receive tab, select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Click Continue and confirm the address. Copy the displayed wallet's address or scan the QR code. After that, open the Revolut app and log in. Tap the crypto section from the home page. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Tap on Send or Transfer. In the recipient's address field, paste the Ledger wallet address you copied earlier. Confirm the network type matches your Ledger's supported blockchain. And after that, input the amount of crypto you wish to send, review the transaction details, including any network fees. After that, tap on Send or Confirm. You can also expect for a security verification. Open your Ledger Live app, go to the portfolio section to check if the transferred funds have arrived. And for additional confirmation, you can track the transaction on a blockchain explorer. For example, add a scan. And that's it basically, guys. Following these steps ensures a smooth and secure crypto transfer from Revolut to Ledger. Enjoy the video, guys. Hopefully it helps you out. Subscribe. See you in the next one.